But
Whatever.
we don't have any sponsors today.
That's a weird way to start the thing.
We don't have any sponsors today.
Yeah.
So watch the video.
Watch the video, yeah,
Fucking
and
hell. Subscribe.
subscribe. Send it to your friends.
Send it to your friends,
Yeah.
send it to your mom, your dad, your cousins, your...
Everyone who drinks, be like, Papa, मैं तो नहीं पीता,
Arey,
but
even people who don't drink, get them started.
Yeah, because
send
it's
it,
fun.
Send it to your 17-year-old cousin who's dying to go and drink. Like, get them excited.
But
them,
again, I'd say that I'd always tell people if you haven't started drinking, don't start drinking. Drinking is injurious to health and all that rubbish.
you can't say drinking. You can't give a disclaimer and then say all that rubbish.
But it is. I'm giving a disclaimer, but
you
it is.
cannot give a disclaimer and then say all
Don't
that
drink
rubbish.
when you're
That's not how
pregnant.
it
Don't
goes.
drink when you're pregnant.
Yeah, not.
Don't drink while driving. Although many Bollywood
Yeah, of
actors
course.
do.
No, who? Nobody. Nobody.
No,
No.
There's never been any Bollywood actor who has ever,
Driven on a pavement
Driven
at all. No,
while
of
driving.
course not.
or any industry,
Driven while driving? Did you just say driven while driving?
driven after drinking.
Hang on, we ain't driving.
We are taking the rickshaw.
We are at
Bombay has autos. We are at Stambha, or whatever you want to call, at Veera Desai Road in Andheri, Mumbai, and we are having a very refreshing lemon ginger shandy.
Oh, this is Shandy?
Yep.
Okay, nice.
And this is apparently very Catholic, according to
It's
Aranyani.
not Catholic, it's just
Who
a
is
very,
my guest?
Hi, I am Aranyani. As I have been for the last...
Like four.
This is the fifth?
This is the fifth one.
Wow, I'm so impressed by myself.
Again, we don't know the ml. It's like 330 ml, 400
Yeah.
ml. We don't know what it is.
But this also seems similar to that previous one.
I think it's lesser than that one, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. It's got a fizzy, refreshing mix of zesty lemon
Okay.
and warming ginger with a crisp beer base and minty lime garnish. It's your perfect sunny day companion. Okay, I just came back from Gurgaon where it was like 12 degrees and it was chilly. And I had chilled beers over there. You know, the reviews are coming up. I'm sure there'll be like another 6 reviews before
This?
this review ever comes
Okay.
up. At least 6 to 10
Okay.
videos.
Wow.
I've shot.
Depends
I have been drinking. I've been drinking the past few days. I've been like shooting. Anyway, but in Bombay, in winter, it's still this is
I mean,
probably
Bombay winters aren't winters.
It's
but
nothing.
But also
But-
today is kind of hot, so
it's hot.
It's nice.
But every time there's winter in Bombay at night, you have these security guards who have this bonfire and they're like,
Yeah, Seikoing their
Seikoing.
hands.
I'm like, this is not.
On Carter Road, there's a bunch of boys who do it. Like I've seen them. There's a bunch of boys who sit. There's a cross. I don't know how to explain where it is. But they make a bonfire and they sit and they just chill there.
It's near Rizvi, like the Rizvi
Yeah.
lane. Yeah.
Ahead of Rizvi, the Tapri ahead of Rizvi, there's a white cross over there. Yeah, they're just chilling.
You don't need a fire in Bombay. You never need a fire in Bombay. But
But
anyway,
they're making them.
so for a sunny day, this is a sunny day. It's the best companion. Shandy Gaff. It's from England.
Yo, okay.
What is a British accent? How good is a British accent?
I don't think I can do one.
We did it with we did a little bit of
Ansh.
Ansh, yeah, because he's back from the UK, back from the London.
I think the thing with the British accent is there's a lot of everything is like expressed very.
First of all, they can't do her. That's why they made
It's like
Hindustan. They made it India.
Yeah. Okay, so the her is
Yeah.
It's like
Hindustan.
What?
What? Yeah.
I can do like a.
You know, okay,
Wha-
first of all,
but the thing is, my British accent is very Valley girl.
what is Valley Girl? Californian.
Yeah, like a. Oh my god! Like it goes into that.
Okay, do your Valley Girl accent?
Huh? No, it's okay, dude. I'm not an actor. I'm a writer.
You know, like
we'll leave it at that.
in SNL, you have the Californians, right? Have you seen the SNL
Oh
Californians?
yeah, the Kristen Wiig.
I take the 45th and take a right and then take a
It's
straight.
mostly it's a lot of the.
Oh, then
So yeah, it's a lot of that. Okay, let's get into it.
Shandy Gaff was developed in Victorian England in 18. Oh,
Thank
the
you.
fries. Thank you. In 1850s.
Oh wow, it's that old. Wait,
इसमें कितना अच्छा आपको पता होगा इसमें ABV कितना लेमन जिंजर शैंडी में 7%.
peace he said no.
I don't know that.
Anyway,
They make beer
wait,
easier in
18, 90. What was it? What year?
1850.
What is a shandy?
Shandy is basically beer with a little bit of lemon.
Okay,
It's sweeter.
like a soda-y type of lemon.
Sprite
Yeah, Sprite. I was wondering 1800s में Sprite किधर था? That's what was.
अरे but नींबू पानी तो था ना. They came to India. They saw
okay,
नींबू पानी.
fair.
They're like,
Fair.
हम तुम्हारे को लगान लगाएगा.
क्या?
ABV कितना है इसमें? 11.
सर इसमें
ज़्यादा है थोड़ा.
बहुत कम है
बहुत कम है. 2%. 4%, 3%, 4%.
Okay.
पर शैंडी में कम ही रहता है. हाँ, ठीक है, okay, good.
Thank you.
So 3 to 4% ABV. Mouthfeel, effervescent,
Effervescent.
with a subtle tanginess that hits just right.
Okay.
Zesty lemon and warm ginger, a perfect pick-me-up. Texture fizzy, buzz level 4 out of 10 again. Oh, so now Shandy reminds me. I was in the Caribbean
Okay.
during this World Cup, T20 World Cup, which happened in June, to watch Team India, which we won, thank God, which was not, a waste of. But I went to Saint Lucia, and so the West Indies has a bunch of art, like they have Trinidad, Tobago,
Yeah.
Barbados, Saint Lucia, Saint Kitts, and all of that. So I went to Saint Lucia, and they have a government website, and they're saying, basically, how Americans, they do not drink water unless it's bottled.
Okay.
Like they'll be like, I want bottled. They don't have tap water. So they said, listen,
Is it tap water? Anyway, okay, fine.
so they're saying our tap water is very safe to drink.
Okay.
So I had tap water, but they're saying tap water is safe to drink. But if you don't want to have tap water, we have bottled water. You can always have our beers. Because beer is, they have a thing called Mount Piton over there.
Okay.
Okay. Piton means mountain in French. Or like a volcano in French. Yeah. So
Okay.
it's called Piton beer. And that Piton beer is basically, it's like because it's brewed, it's alcohol. So there's not going to be any germs of, like, if you're worried about
Yeah.
any stuff, beers are very safe to drink.
Yeah.
But if you are non-alcoholic, if you do not drink alcohol, you can have a shandies instead, which are only 2%.
Yeah, I mean it's as good. The breezer has more content, less.
I'm sure, yeah. But like if you don't drink alcohol, do not.
Yeah.
They're like if you don't have alcohol, you can have shandies, which are 2%.
No, why not, dude? You only live once.
You do only live once, but some people.
I mean,
are
if
like,
it's like a ethnic, religious sort of thing, then I understand.
yeah.
But otherwise, a shandy is a shandy, dude. Like that's what I'm saying. See, I don't think it's a Catholic thing, but I know a lot of my like, whatever, dude, relatives, and most of them are female.
Yeah.
Love a good shandy.
Cat-
Like one of my aunts once, like the first time I was being offered alcohol at the ripe age of 14, 15, 16, I want to say, it was always shandy. So for me, shandy is always associated with like,
Catholic women love shandies.
I guess you heard it here first. I don't know, dude. I think this is a generalization I'm not equipped to make. I'm, as they call, a Christmas Catholic.
What does that mean?
I only care about Catholicism when it comes to Christmas.
Yeah. When you get gifts.
Yeah, essentially. Otherwise, I don't care. You're out. Yeah. Jesus Christ is chill and all.
Yeah. It was just Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I don't
What
think
did-
shandies
what did
are
you
like
get?
for Christmas.
Yeah. Do you get eggnogs? Do you drink eggnogs?
I've never had eggnog.
Aren't these guys supposed to have eggnogs?
The Christmas like things that I've done are like a touch traditional, a touch modern.
Okay.
Like I've done the whole like elaborate pig, and like
What?
you cook a whole pig, like you roast a whole pig.
With like an apple in his mouth and all that?
Yeah, and
Really?
we once had one that had sunglasses on it. On the table, we put sunglasses on. Yeah, funky. Yeah, I've done that. But like my family in general, there's a lot of like beer drinkers, whiskey, scotch. Vodka is a huge favorite.
Really, vodka?
Yeah,
I think vodka's fallen out of.
vodka's
know-
not cool anymore. Vodka's cool
Yeah,
for
it's not
16-year-olds.
Yeah. I feel like
But you hit 20 and you're like, that's it.
for the longest time right now, everybody was having gin.
Yeah.
And now people have like kind of fallen like, okay, right now at my brother's engagement, because everybody has gin. Like all these women, especially, they love gin now.
Gin or white rum
Yeah.
is nice.
Yeah, ramen. But I said, listen, let's have tequila. And if there's picante, I love picante. I love a good margarita
Dude,
or
Anshu's
picante.
birthday had picante.
I think I don't know if he spoke about
So
this.
good.
But I think if there's a good picante, no one is going to have anything else. And that's what happened. We had
Exactly.
bottles of gin. Nobody touched gin. People just had picante. We had to literally order for more tequila in Gurgaon, which is fine. It's cheap in Gurgaon.
Yeah, no, but I think like tequila is the
It's good.
fries, right? A
Yeah.
peri peri, whatever. They're not even fries.
It's like
just
mashed
veggies.
potatoes. Yeah. It's soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. There are like six different sauces that you get.
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6. Yeah, this place is killing out with the food and
Yeah.
like the pairings with the beer.
There's some cheesy sauce.
This didn't come with a pairing, but like
Yeah.
everything else is pretty good. I'm liking the
It's a good vibe.
vibes,
Great
and
vibe.
the ambience,
Yeah.
and the.
If you want to chill with your
I
friends,
feel like with every video we keep getting more lighting also.
yeah. But lemon shandy, 390 rupees for I don't know how many ml, less than probably like 3 to 4% ABV.
Okay.
But the shandy, it's supposed to be light.
Cheers.
It's so nice.
Oh, this is so 16-year-old me would have loved this. 16-year-old me would have had 2 of these and been like, haha, guys, I'm having a good time. Yeah. It's pretty good.
16-year-olds can't drink, first of all.
Oh, you're Catholic.
When you're Catholic, it's fine.
They dunk your head, bro.
Hey, what man? What?
No, that's more Goan than it is Catholic. The men, the what men and all of
But there's
that.
so many Bombay Catholics who do that. Hey, what man?
It's a more Konkan thing.
Oh,
It's a Konkan thing. It's not a Catholic thing.
okay. Yeah, obviously, like no Catholics from
Like, correctly be racist.
yeah, like
na?
like Assami Catholics are not going to be like, hey, what man?
Yeah, exactly.
But people in Bombay and Goa, they all of them say, oh, what man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not that's not racist.
But I feel like even Bombay Catholics, that's reserved to Bandra Catholics. Mahim
no,
and all you go,
no,
they
even
won't say.
Mazgaon Catholics.
No, re.
Yeah, I think so, 100%.
I don't know. But again, I'm a Christmas Catholic.
So you never said what man in your life?
I'm sure I have. Actually, there's a thing. Oh wow, we lost our lighting.
Yeah.
There's a thing you say in Konkani. I Sai Baba Ghost.
Sai Baba?
I Saiba Bogos. I
I
Saiba, you can understand. Oh God.
I-
Bogos, what it means, I don't know. But I used to hear my grandmother saying it.
I
I
Saiba.
Saiba Bogos used to say.
For like what would you do that your grandmother would say that?
Bakchodi. And what do you do as a fucking 5-year-old stupid child? Once she had. My grandmother used to like stitch all my clothes. I love her.
Yeah.
Most of my fashion sense comes from this dress she has bought. Anyway, she used to stitch my clothes and some pants or something I wore once that I decided to cut because for fun. And she saw that I'd cut them and she was like, I Sai Baba Bogos.
Like if she see ripped jeans, they'll be like, I
Sai
Sai
Baba
Baba.
Ghost. Yeah.
Ripped jeans, oh my
No,
god.
she'll see this video that I'm reviewing
Oh.
beers and she'll be like, I Sai Baba Bogos. That's for sure. Yeah, that'll happen.
I feel like my these things are so informative. Like people are learning Konkani now.
No, they're definitely informative,
Yeah.
and I think you'll definitely learn something something new every day.
Yeah, with a new guest. Yeah.
And no, even if it's like you're literally trying your 58th stout, it's still a new stout, right? You're learning something new every day. I'm not saying this to be shady, like I'm legit saying it. But the fact that I'm drinking on camera, she would look at and be like, I saw. So, and she's she's an active YouTube user.
Oh.
I say user like it's like some.
What did you watch? Like my grandparents
a lot
watch, you know,
of,
Astha.
Royal Family propaganda.
Royal family.
She's a fan of the Royal Family.
British family. The
Yeah.
British royal family.
Yeah.
So she doesn't like that Suits lady who broke
She
it up.
hates her. She hates her.
What's her name?
Meghan Markle.
Meghan Markle.
She does not like her.
And now she's divorcing Prince Harry or something. She's like they're on like separation after making him quit the entire royal family
Are
line.
you serious?
Yeah, I
I
read
didn't know
it.
about this. That's a little wild if you
Nobody
ask
likes
me.
you, Meghan Markle.
Do you think, I mean, obviously it's fair and all that if you get married to someone and all and then you like, whatever, you can separate from them.
Yeah.
But does it give you comfort going into that relationship knowing that you could leave it? Like, does it make you somewhere feel like, okay, this person is good and everything, but if shit goes to shit, I'm not stuck there. Does that make you feel good?
I think it makes everyone feel more like, you know, because I feel, I don't know, especially in Bombay, there are many places in the world, not big cities, where people want to get married. They're like, you know,
Yeah.
I want to get married and I want to have a family. But in places like Bombay, big cities, people want to have that freedom. They don't want to be like, they don't want to feel claustrophobic. They don't want to feel, you know.
Okay.
So, even for me, if that feeling that, oh, I'm in a relationship. Like, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Whatever. I can just leave. That's always a good feeling. But I feel that also prevents people from working things out. Because there was a time when,
Don't you think fighting is healthy?
no, I think, okay,
Like, I'm not saying like sit and argue like a bitch,
no,
but like
I think open communication is healthy.
it's healthy.
Yeah.
I call it fighting.
Yeah. There's a way to also communicate your, this is what I felt, this is what I think should have happened,
Yeah.
this is what you could have, this is what I would have liked you to do, this is what you could have done. And there's like very open communication for the first time. There is like, I wouldn't like it if somebody is just angry at me for no reason.
Yeah, fair.
Like, okay, even if I've done something, just explain to me.
But you're okay with being told
Yeah, like,
that
yeah.
you did, even if you haven't, even if it's not inherently wrong, but that person feels like it's wrong.
I feel that if I
Like,
have
say,
done,
for example, you're just going about your life, you're living your life, you're just doing your thing.
okay,
And your partner's like, oh, but you didn't do this one thing that I would have hoped for you to have done for me. And then you're like, but I didn't do it to begin with, so why the fuck be upset about it? But are you open and willing to listen to that person's bullshit? Because it is bullshit.
did I
It
do
is-
something or did I not do something?
Whatever it is, I'm saying whether you're in the right or the wrong. Especially when you are by your own standards in the right. But someone's like, oh, you did this and it. Oh, not acceptable.
If I'm in the right, I'll say, listen,
Interesting.
I need the other person to also understand that what you're saying right now is unreasonable.
Okay.
And like I had a girl who was pissed off at me for some reason.
Okay.
I was like, listen, that is not my opinion. That's someone else's opinion on you.
Fair.
And I'm just being very honest with you. And okay, things happen. But now my point is, I can't do anything about it. About the situation, I have no power.
Okay.
I have no power in
That's
this
caused her some degree of like hurt or
Yeah,
upsetness.
she got upset. And I was like, you understand, I have not done anything for you to get upset. It was someone else who did something for you to get upset.
Okay.
I have done nothing. I can do nothing about it.
So she's seeing a pattern in you, is what you're saying.
No, she didn't see
She's
anything. in me.
projecting.
She didn't see anything. She just got very upset about it. So, okay. Okay, so basically, I was on the date with a girl,
Okay.
and a friend messaged me saying, yeah, she's cool.
Okay.
Like how friends do.
Yeah.
Like, if you have a friend,
You
like,
tell them.
Yeah, no, like if you have your girlfriends, if you show them a picture of a guy, none of them will be like, oh my god, he's so hot, he's so.
Yeah, they'll be pretty brutal about
No
it.
one-
or
no one
honest.
is- yeah,
Let's just
exactly.
be honest. They'll be
Yeah.
honest about it.
You might love that person, but your friends always want the best for you.
Correct.
And they'll always be like, yeah, that she's cool.
Yeah.
They'll never be like, oh my god, she's so hot, she's a supermodel.
Yeah.
Friends never do that. Especially female friends. If I show
It's a
you,
little crazy, but yeah.
yeah, if I
Fair.
show you a picture of a girl I'm dating, you'll never be like, oh my god, she's so hot, Sujay. Like, you'll never do that. Girls never do that. So anyway, so she saw the.
That's exactly the way I'm gonna react the next time.
First of all, she never sees my messages.
Yeah, that's true.
I have like 1,000 Instagram messages. It's 1,000 DMs at least. Reels.
We should count, I'm sure. My DM.
I'm sure you can just open it and show them how many DMs I've
No, but
sent
the thing
you.
is, so I do
You-
this thing. I open it and then I scroll to the bottom so that the notification goes up.
Let's see the last time. When did you message me last and when have I?
See, like,
I have, like,
it
constantly-
says 4+ new messages. It only says 4+ new messages.
They can't see that also. But
Because-
just open my chat and just show them like the one sided how many reels I've sent you.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I sent you something in the middle. Oh, I did. And it's something about drinking only. But
Yeah, and
anyway.
then I asked her, are you drinking with me? Because she was supposed to come on the show, but she never did.
There's some. Oh no, those are all. Yeah, but this is basically the. Yeah, I really haven't. I don't remember the last time I actually actively.
I think this was it.
No.
Oh, that's still me. Oh, that's still me on the other side.
There's so much
Do you
pressure.
feel any shame? Do you feel
No.
any shame?
No. Shame and guilt are things that.
Just, yeah. Anyway, so this
I don't
girl
have time for them in my life. Guilt and shame?
has some shame, first of all. A person sending you so many
See,
messages.
this is what I'm saying. I'm Christmas Catholic. No, if I was Catholic, then I would have had shame. Shame is a huge part of being
Catholic.
Catholic and Christian and whatever. Shame is a huge part of that religion.
Anyway, so my point was this: the girl saw the message of my friends saying that she's cool. Like,
Oh,
yeah,
you saw it.
Yeah. And she's like, well, what are your friends thinking? No, she's like, what are your friends thinking about me? I was like, yeah, this is what they said. I didn't think it was a bad thing. I was like, okay, you're like this.
But
is
she
what-
got offended.
She got offended about
Oh,
it.
bitch.
I was like, first of all, she's a good girl. I was like, listen.
She was a good girl.
I was like, listen. I'm telling you, you're beautiful. You know, I enjoy spending time with you. You're getting mad at me
For something your friends have said.
for something my friends have said, for something that's
Was
not
she
meant for
treating it
you.
like a whole, like, oh, this is a reflection of how you are talking about me to your
No,
friends
I don't
and all.
know. No, she's just like, oh, I've never been. You know, people have always called me like people have called me hot, or you know, I've never had someone just say this about me
I hope she
before.
doesn't say this because my like facial expression just keep going like.
But again, the point was that I haven't seen her after that day. The point is this: like, I have nothing to do with it, and I also said sorry, which you know, I was like, listen, let's move on.
Yeah.
Sorry, but she was still not ready to put off the fight. I was like, okay, this is just poor behavior.
I think some people just like to fight.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Anyway. Yeah, so that's the thing. So in a relationship, I'll be like, I'd love open communication. Let's just talk and let's
Yeah.
be mature about it. I also don't understand ghosting. You know, if you do not like someone, just talk to them and just be like, listen,
That's so easy.
this is what it is. It is very easy to just tell that person that, listen,
No, it's very easy to ghost someone. I'm saying.
it is very easy. It's also very easy to say that.
As someone who does it in a very. I only ghost people platonically. I only ghost my friends.
I know.
Cheers.
Remember, we are not alcoholics. We are just doing this for you guys.
I feel like we already. Very nice.
First of all, this is not chuggable because it's like all the pudina and the nimbu and the adu.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
Aloo?
Adu.
Huh?
Ginger, adu.
What is that? Gujarati?
Adrak. Yeah.
Adu in Gujarati is
Gujarati is adu. No, but adu is also like other languages, not only Gujarati, is it? Hindi is adrak.
well, that sounded like a cute version of saying Adu. Nimbu. Nimbu is Nimbu only, actually.
Gujarati is limbu. Limbu, adu.
I don't know, I was chugging and all. Y'all are mad.
What?
All you people who can chug are mad.
Apparently, a friend told me when I go to Australia, there's a thing called. We'll see. When I go to Australia one day, you know, when this channel will do well, I'll do an Australian tour.
Oh, sick, okay.
We'll have fun over there.
अरे पर उधर है क्या सेटअप करके बोल ही नहीं रहे
Oh, there's just like the way to chug. There's a thing called shui. So you take a boot.
Daniel Ricciardo does it.
Who's Daniel Ricciardo?
Daniel Ricciardo, he was an F1 driver.
Oh.
He was unceremoniously dropped
I
mid-season.
thought मर गया.
No, I did that because he's never returning to F1, I think. Brilliant. Dude, I think okay, I'm going to send you like a compilation of Daniel Ricciardo moments. I think you and he are on the same wavelength of,
Retardation.
but very lovingly, I'm saying
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Like very, dude, because he was the driver that got me into F1. Like after the
Where
whole
is he
drive
from?
to survive. He's Australian.
Okay.
So he does the shoeies and everything.
Ah.
He's made Hamilton do a shoey.
Australian people are fun.
Australian people are really fun. One of my, so the school I went to in 11th and 12th grade, I went there in 11th. There was a guy who was there till 8th, 9th standard. He went to Australia. And he used to stay in Bamanwada.
What?
Do you know where Bamanwada is? It's your only near the Bisleri factory.
So what about it?
So he went from Bamanwada to fucking Australia.
Okay.
And he's quite the dude now, huh? Like he's also a bartender if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Joshua is a bartender.
What is
Yeah.
the point of the story?
I don't remember what it is. Shoeies and Australians being cool and chill.
So he went to Australia and became
You
cooler.
just said Australia. Yeah, he
So
did.
He went
did,
from
he did. Bamanwada. How do
Bamanwada.
you not know what Bamanwada is? You know Ranwar village?
Yeah.
Yeah, Achha.
That's Bandra.
Bandra, you know.
Yeah.
Bamanwada and Villaparle, you
I'm
don't
a
know.
Bandra boy.
Actually, I don't know if it's in Villaparle, but it's somewhere.
You're also a Bandra girl.
I mean, now I am.
You always were, but now
I'm
you
a
are.
car gal, please.
So what is the difference between cars?
Listen, Khar is cooler than Bandra any day. Khar market is much better than Pali market and all of that crap. frankly. Only thing that I don't like about Khar Market is that there are not a lot of cold storages because of all the gujju. I mean, sorry, but all the sweet Gujaratis that stay around me, we don't
This
have
is
a
like
lot of cold
open.
storages.
There is open racism against Gujjus, and
Arey,
nobody
but Khar mein
cares.
itna gujju log. Listen, I also went to school in Khar, which is a Gujarati school only. Please.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I hate that
grown up
school,
around
and I hate people
Gujaratis.
from that school.
You had 2 people from that school on your channel, Ansh and me.
Yeah, exactly. And that's the worst school.
That's why we left it.
Yeah. And total shade to everyone who's gone to that shitty school. You're all
Who
bunch
else
of
do you know from that school? You should
many because I used to swim.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you should swim with them.
Yeah.
I recently met someone who knows you.
Who is this now?
Another swimmer. He's from Ansh's batch. The skinny guy.
Oh.
I don't know, सुना ही देगा,
It was his
लेकिन okay.
birthday.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was Ansh's birthday. I met him there.
We have mics. I'm sure it's been caught.
And then I asked him and I was like, hey, do you know Sujay? And he's like, yeah, I know Sujay.
Huh.
Everyone knows Sujay. Something I've realized. Yeah.
Everybody knows a good-looking guy.
Oh yeah, I didn't chug this, but
Oh, nice. Ignored.
yeah, this is very like.
I mean, it's enjoyable. It's very enjoyable
So
for
like,
the
I
day.
got one friend in the group who's like, no, I don't drink. This
Yeah.
is for them.
Yeah. But it is enjoyable. It's basically like ginger ale or ginger ale Sprite with
The gingery is
Beer.
nice. So that's the difference. All the shandies I've had are straight up
Sprite
Sprite and beer.
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah.
creativity to it. There's no even limbu nichoding
yeah.
and all. Half the time there's no limbu nichoding. That's only if you decide to do it. But yeah, I quite like this. But like again,
It's okay. Yeah, it's
because of how like nonchalant it is, I don't know. Like this is a
I mean, you'll enjoy it. Like, if you enjoy shandies, you'll enjoy it. If you enjoy beers, maybe not that much.
I don't think anyone's going out being like, I want to have a shandy today.
You know what? Actually, I went with my friends and he put them all on shandies. So now whenever they go out, they'll take some Budweisers and then mix it with Sprite.
Are you serious? That's fun. Yeah, but I'm not. I'm enjoying it, no doubt. But I'm not like impressed. I think I'm only impressed because of ginger. Also, lately I have been enjoying ginger as an ingredient in cooking.
Okay.
I've been using ginger a lot while cooking,
Okay.
which is why I think this is exciting to me. I don't know. It's nice. It's like a 54 vibes.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good for like a how to say, when Christmas afternoon, morning you've been drinking
Yeah.
everything. And
Yeah.
then in the evenings to the night transition, it's not
I think
nice.
right before you start having
Liquor.
liquor, I think this should have been the first
Yeah.
thing even before the wit beer. Like, it's like a
You know,
stepping
there's a
stone.
line. I don't know where it's from. I don't know where I heard it.
What?
But beer before liquor, never been sicker.
I mean,
something
it's
like
sicker
that.
in a good way.
Huh? No, in a bad way.
Or
but
like you got sick after having beer before liquor.
yeah.
But that's what everybody
But
does,
that's
right?
the weird thing is that I always start with beer.
Yeah, everybody
and
starts
then
with like
you
a-
gravitate to liquors, which is why I don't understand the logic. I think it's just that people get fucked up. But I think that's liquor's fault more than beer's fault.
I'll have, if I'm having beer, I'll only have beer. And then if I'm at a party where there's like hard liquor,
Okay.
then I'll only have tequila. No changes. Beer or tequila, that's it.
Is there any beer, tequila, something? Oh, that is it? Okay. You said it's spicy and all, but I'm okay with spicy. Okay, so next video.
Next video will be the
Yeah, but I'm not chugging this. This is very.
the Mexican Michelada, which is beer with tequila, I think it is. Yeah.
But anyway, I think I'm pretty
And
clear. On this.
spices.
It's like a 54 for
Yeah,
me.
yeah, no. I think you gave the other thing also 54.
No, that I gave a 56.
56.
I
You know
think.
what? Again, good little thing, good little shandy. I'm gonna give this 66 out of 100.
Okay.
It's fun to drink.
Yeah, it's fun to drink. I like it. I like it. It's light. It's very gingery, lemonade.
Yeah.
It's almost like something you'd have as a child, but it's got alcohol.
Yeah, if
which
you
is
have
what makes
children,
it.
if you come here with your, under 21 friends, give them a shandy.
Yeah, I think that would be wise. Yeah. Now you could stop recording.
No, you're finished.
No, I was going to say a 16-year-old would enjoy the fuck out of this.
Yeah,
For sure.
but do not give your 16-year-olds alcohol. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.